Did you know that every 2.5 seconds, an aircraft system somewhere in the world is working to prevent a disaster? In today's video, we're exploring the hidden technology that keeps your flight safe. We'll dive into the key safety systems that pilots rely on, such as the Traffic Collision Avoidance System and the Ground Proximity Warning System, and discover how these innovations protect passengers every day. Buckle up as we uncover the fascinating world of aircraft. Why aircraft safety systems matter. Aircraft safety systems are essential for preventing mid-air collisions, ground impacts, and other potential threats that could jeopardize the safety of flights. With the increasing volume of air traffic, the need for robust safety measures has never been more critical. These systems work tirelessly to provide pilots with real-time information and warnings, allowing them to make quick decisions in high-pressure situations. In this video, we'll focus on several key safety systems that play a vital role in aviation. First, we'll explore the Traffic Collision Avoidance System, which helps prevent mid-air collisions by alerting pilots to nearby aircraft. Next, we'll discuss the Ground Proximity Warning System, designed to warn pilots of potential ground collisions, ensuring they maintain safe altitudes during flight. Additionally, we'll touch on other essential safety features, such as enhanced vision systems and emergency locator transmitters, that contribute to the overall safety of modern aviation. Together, these systems create a comprehensive safety net, protecting passengers and crew on every flight. The Traffic Collision Avoidance System is a critical safety feature that helps prevent mid-air collisions by continuously monitoring the airspace around an aircraft for potential threats. This system operates independently of air traffic control, using transponder signals from nearby aircraft to track their position and altitude. TCAS works by interrogating the transponders of surrounding aircraft via radio signals. When another aircraft replies, TCAS calculates its range, bearing, and altitude relative to the host aircraft. By extrapolating this data, the system can determine if a potential collision threat exists, and the time until the closest point of approach. If TCAS detects a threat, it issues a traffic advisory to the pilots, announcing traffic, and providing information about the intruder aircraft. This alert gives the pilot situational awareness, allowing them to visually acquire the threat and prepare for potential evasive action. If the threat persists and the aircraft continue on a collision course, TCAS will issue a resolution advisory, providing the pilots with precise instructions on how to avoid the conflict. These RAs may call for the pilots to climb, descend, or adjust their vertical speed to ensure safe separation between the aircraft. TCAS can even coordinate with the intruder aircraft's TCAS to ensure that both aircraft perform complementary maneuvers. In 2002, a potential disaster was averted over the skies of Switzerland thanks to TCAS. Two aircraft, a Bashkirian Airlines passenger jet and a DHL cargo plane, were on a collision course at an altitude of 35,000 feet. TCAS detected the threat and issued RAs to both crews, instructing the passenger jet to descend and the cargo plane to climb. The pilots followed the TCAS instructions, and the aircraft passed each other with a vertical separation of just 300 feet, avoiding a catastrophic mid-air collision. The Ground Proximity Warning System is a critical safety feature designed to prevent aircraft from inadvertently flying into the ground, especially during low visibility conditions or when pilots lose situational awareness. By continuously monitoring the aircraft's proximity to terrain and obstacles, GPWS provides timely alerts to the flight crew, allowing them to take immediate corrective action. At the heart of GPWS lies the Radar Altimeter, which measures the aircraft's height above the ground. This data is fed into a computer that keeps track of the aircraft's altitude, descent rate, and terrain clearance. By analyzing trends and comparing the aircraft's position to a database of terrain and obstacle information, GPWS can predict if the aircraft is in danger of colliding with the ground. When GPWS detects a potential threat, it issues a series of alerts to the pilots. These warnings range from cautionary messages such as sink rate or terrain ahead to mandatory instructions like pull up. The system's logic is designed to provide sufficient time for the pilots to initiate a climb and avoid the terrain. Enhanced GPWS, EGPWS. In the late 1990s, GPWS was upgraded to the Enhanced Ground Proximity Warning System, which incorporates more advanced features. EGPWS combines the aircraft's position data from GPS with a worldwide terrain database, allowing it to look ahead and predict potential conflicts. This proactive approach enables EGPWS to issue warnings even when the aircraft is not directly over rising terrain. Additionally, EGPWS can display a terrain map in the cockpit, giving pilots a visual representation of the surrounding landscape. In 1999, a Korean air flight was approaching Guam in heavy rain and poor visibility. The pilots, unaware of their proximity to a hill, continued the approach. Suddenly, GPWS issued a series of warnings, alerting the crew to the imminent danger. The pilots immediately initiated a go-around, climbing away from the terrain. Although the aircraft sustained minor damage, the timely intervention of GPWS prevented a catastrophic accident and saved the lives of all 254 people on board. Weather radar systems are vital tools that help aircraft detect severe weather conditions, such as thunderstorms and turbulence. These systems use radio waves to identify precipitation and analyze its intensity and motion. By providing real-time data, pilots can make informed decisions about their flight paths, avoiding dangerous weather patterns that could jeopardize safety. Modern weather radar systems can distinguish between different types of precipitation, such as rain, hail, and snow, and even detect turbulence and wind shear, enhancing pilots' situational awareness and enabling safer navigation through adverse weather conditions. Autopilot. Safety. Features. Advanced autopilot systems are equipped with safety features that automatically adjust an aircraft's flight path in response to unexpected conditions. If the autopilot detects a sudden change in altitude or airspeed, it can make real-time adjustments to maintain stability and ensure a smooth flight. Some autopilot systems can also engage in automatic go-arounds during landing, if they sense that the aircraft is too high or too low on approach, significantly reducing the risk of accidents during critical phases of flight. These features not only enhance safety, but also reduce pilot workload, allowing them to focus on other important tasks. Emergency Locator. Transmitters play a crucial role in rescue operations following aircraft crashes or forced landings. These devices automatically activate upon impact, sending distress signals that include the aircraft's location to search and rescue teams. ELTs are designed to operate in harsh conditions and can transmit signals for extended periods, significantly increasing the chances of locating survivors. By providing precise location data, ELTs help expedite rescue efforts, ensuring that assistance reaches those in need as quickly as possible. In aviation, safety systems are designed to work in unison, creating multiple layers of protection that enhance overall flight safety. By integrating various technologies such as TCAS, GPWS, weather radar, and autopilot systems, aircraft can effectively manage a wide range of potential threats. For example, while TCAS actively monitors nearby aircraft to prevent mid-air collisions, GPWS simultaneously ensures that the aircraft maintains a safe altitude above the ground. This collaborative approach allows pilots to receive comprehensive situational awareness, enabling them to make informed decisions and respond effectively to any challenges that arise during flight. System redundancy is a critical aspect of aviation safety. Backup systems and fail-safes are implemented to ensure that if one system fails, another can take over seamlessly. For instance, if the primary weather radar encounters a malfunction, a secondary system can provide essential data to help pilots navigate safely through adverse weather. Similarly, autopilot systems often have multiple layers of redundancy, so that if one component fails, others can continue to function, maintaining control of the aircraft. This robust design philosophy minimizes the risk of accidents and enhances the reliability of safety systems, ensuring that pilots have the necessary tools to manage any situation that may arise during flight. Future trends in aircraft safety systems. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see exciting new developments in aircraft safety systems. Artificial intelligence, AI, is poised to play a significant role in the future of flight safety, enabling smarter decision-making and enhanced situational awareness. AI-based systems will leverage real-time data streaming from aircraft sensors to identify potential issues and recommend preventive actions. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can detect subtle anomalies and predict maintenance needs before problems arise, minimizing the risk of in-flight malfunctions. Additionally, AI-powered decision-making systems will assist pilots in making informed choices, especially during critical situations. Advanced pilot assist technologies, such as augmented reality, AR, displays, and voice-controlled interfaces, will further enhance safety by providing pilots with intuitive and accessible information. AR can overlay critical flight data directly onto the pilot's field of view, reducing the need to divert attention from the outside world. Voice commands will allow pilots to interact with aircraft systems hands-free, enabling them to focus on flying the aircraft. Closing thought. The future of flight safety is not just about better systems, but smarter systems. By harnessing the power of AI, real-time data, and advanced human-machine interfaces, we can create a safer, more efficient, and more reliable aviation industry that puts safety at the forefront of every flight. In this video, we explored critical aircraft safety systems, including the Traffic Collision Avoidance System, Ground Proximity Warning System, weather radar, and advanced autopilot features. Each of these systems plays a vital role in ensuring safe flights. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which safety system do you think is the most important? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell for more insights into aviation technology. Thank you for watching, and stay safe in the skies.